In today's video, we're diving into the world of language learning with some of the best apps for learning Spanish on Android. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to brush up on your skills, these apps have something for everyone. Join us as we explore 3 amazing options that can help you on your path to speaking Spanish confidently. Learn Spanish with Flashcards. Learn Spanish with Flashcards is an interactive app designed to help users expand their Spanish vocabulary effectively. Utilizing the proven method of flashcards, the app presents words and phrases along with images and audio pronunciation to enhance learning. Users can customize their flashcard decks based on topics, such as food, travel, or everyday phrases, making the learning experience personalized and engaging. The app also tracks progress, allowing users to see how much they've learned and reinforcing retention through repeated exposure to the material. Learn Spanish Fast Sounter. Learn Spanish Fast Sounter is an efficient language learning app that focuses on teaching Spanish through practical phrases and conversations. The app offers a range of topics, allowing users to learn vocabulary and sentences relevant to specific situations, such as ordering food or traveling. It features audio pronunciations from native speakers, ensuring accurate language learning and proper pronunciation. With its user-friendly interface and interactive exercises, Sounter helps users grasp the essentials of the language quickly, making it an excellent choice for beginners and travelers. Wlingua. Learn Spanish. Wlingua is a comprehensive language learning app that provides a structured curriculum for Spanish learners at various levels. With over 600 lessons, the app covers grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation, all designed to help users build a solid foundation in the language. Wlingua's interactive exercises, quizzes, and games keep learners engaged while tracking their progress. The app also includes audio recordings by native speakers to ensure learners develop correct pronunciation and comprehension skills. It's a great option for those looking for a more in-depth learning experience. Thank you for watching our review of the best Learn Spanish apps available for Android. We hope you found this information helpful in choosing the right app for your language learning journey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more great content. See you next time.